hello there. Look at these fucking amazing buds. So it's June 8th, 2020. We got this lovely little banana sorbet right here. She's gonna go into the new outdoor aeroponic enclosure. Not big on using Pro Mix into hard and expanded clay, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Hi there, this is Andrew Heckman with your 5 o'clock root reveal. Brought to you by Psycho Nutrients and Psycho Gardens. We're talking some serious root action here, people. Oh, hello there, I'm Andrew Heckman, and this is the 5 o'clock root reveal. This is our girl Hannah Banana. Beautiful cut of banana sorbet from DNA Genetics. Nice full growth up top here. That is some excellent side growth on the roots too. Lots of fish bone. There we go. Oh, hello there. I'm Andrew Heckman. It's July 11th at 6 o'clock and it's time for your 6 o'clock root reveal. Are you ready for this? That is excellent. Wow. Oh, hello there. It's Andrew Heckman. We're back in the cloning corner. Cloning is my specialty. So basically what we're gonna do is start to take out any of the smaller shoots from the bottom of the plant, such as that, because we actually want to clean the plant up. Got some thunder dunders coming in hot, blowing out snot and possibly bringing a tornado, so. Okay, so turns out there's a tornado warning in effect for my area right now. Holy fucking shit. We're still gonna do the root reveal. Fuck it. It's just weather. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh, hello there. I'm Andrew Heckman. It's Sunday morning, and this is your Sunday morning root reveal. All right, bring on the tornado. Here we go. So this is the very last time you will see the roots for 2020 on these Gorillaponic plants. This is August 29th at 6 o'clock, and this is the final root reveal for 2020. So last night we had a bit of an accident with the plant you see behind me here. Today we built a trellis system all around these plants. We're going to install it right after we film this root reveal, and I just wanted to show you the progress that we've made this year. This will be the last time that we see it like this, so I just wanted to take this in. You can see we've got these plants all cleaned up, compliments of Sis and myself. So on behalf of Microbial Mass, Psycho, Indoor Farmer of Stratford and Waterloo, here we go. This is the final root reveal. Oh man. Just had a 24-hour cleanse. Got some fresh growth happening down the sides here. And as you can see, this is just a pillar of roots. This plant is fucking amazing. Saying this is like the biggest plant in my garden, and in terms of like quality of the bud, so I guess the biggest way to describe the difference between this and growing in soil is that in soil I may have had this size of plant, no problem. The quality of this flowering is so remarkable. The whole plant itself has so much more yield, and then just the quality of each and every bud on top. Even down below, like some of these ones down here, we got all of this side action here. And massive, every single branch turned into a cola. And so that's why I think that this is kind of like a different way. It's like a better way to grow outdoors. Oh, hello there. You might remember me from such segments as Root Reveal and the Cloning Corner. My name's Andrew Heckman, and today's 126 days of growing of this plant here in this machine. We've called this Gorillaponics, and today we're going to harvest this fine looking plant. It's very big, the buds are very firm, they're very sticky. We're looking forward to a nice harvest of it here. I can't show you the roots because I can't lift it out of where it's sitting right now. What I can tell you is this plant is massive. I look forward to showing you all what the harvest looks like. Happy growing! 126 days of successful growing in this chamber. It all worked out. This is it. Here we go. The scissor strokes begin right now. I did it! One successful year! Here we go. Hey everybody, just finished 12 hours of trimming here. This is the final result of the Gorillaponic unit. This is one plant. Came down today. This was day 126 of growing. I'll zoom in a bit here so you can see the quality of the bud, and I'll also put a lighter. That's a full-size Bic right there. But as you can see, this is about 13 hours after the initial clip of the plant. We trimmed them at about 9:30 this morning out in the rain. A lot of fun, but yeah, anyways, it's quite the day of trimming here. We did very well. I figure this is probably about 8 kilos all wet, and it'll be interesting to see what it turns into when it dries. Special thanks to everybody who helped out this year. This is a brand new way of growing some weed, and by the looks of things, we're gonna be doing it again. We got some huge colas. Basically every branch on this plant turned into a cola. So there you have it, Gorillaponics. It's a real thing. Oh man, this plant's fucking wicked though. I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna be like 2 or 3 pounds of bud on here. And it is fucking loud. For real? Can I get my shades on? We'll be like. I can't wait to smoke some of this. It's gonna be fucking unreal.